Hello guys, this is TechSpace again. So guys, I changed my name from Mobile Freak to TechSpace because I think the TechSpace is more of a nice name than Mobile Freak. So I just changed the name to TechSpace. So guys, in this first video after changing the name, I created this video is about an application who are for Muslims. Okay, because so Muslims find a real time it is very hard to find a nice Quran app in the Play Store. So if you are going to the Play Store and searching for a Quran application, there is lot of applications, so it is very difficult to find the right one for you. So in this video I am going to show you the best Quran application. This is the Quran Hive. Quran Hive is a combination of different applications. When you're going to the about section, or when you are checking out the application, you can understand that the Quran app is an application which is a combination of many other apps. So it is an integrated work of many other applications. So if you are opening the app, the interface is pretty smooth, and guys, you need internet connection for this to run. So the app looks pretty cool. The very nice features, one of the best features of this application is that you can zoom in even at this place. Okay, so if you are having trouble to see the letters down, you can just pinch to scroll, zoom in and zoom out. So that is a very nice feature. So there is a phonetic search option and surahs option in the home page. There is also the bookmark option, so that you can quickly jump into the bookmark you have created. So first we'll open with Al-Fatiha. So when you're going to the Al-Fatiha, the way to go to different ayahs is by scrolling up and scrolling down. So this if you want to hear the if you want to hear how the ayat is pronounced or recited, there is a play option which you can click, and it will play it will recite. The voice is of the Al Mishari. So the voice is pretty good, and you can listen to that. Mishari Alfasi, yeah, the guys who the voice behind this, the man behind this voice is Mishari Alfasi. So one of the great thing is that you can actually bookmark it, and you can see these options over here: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this will be, if you click on the reason, the it will show you the circumstance of the revelation. Okay, so when it was revealed, what is the circumstance of this revelation of this particular ayah, over a particular ayah. And if you're clicking on IK, that is Ibn Kathir Tasvir, you can get a great understand of the meaning of the ayahs. And same here, you can see usually notes, so that is you can understand more deeply in a linguistic and linguistic manner and historical manner what was behind this, what is the meaning of this word. So that is a pretty cool thing. The other apps which I ponder about in Google Play Store don't allow us to do this kind of stuff. So this is a very informative application. So if you guys are finding, if you want to it also has a grammar breakdown, so it is very intense application. It is the best application if you are finding for the perfect Quran partner on the go. I use it for like some of for few days now, and I really love this one, because the other applications I usually download, install, and I will just delete it, because this is in my phone for quite some time. So guys, if you are going to find a Quran application from Play Store, this is definitely the one for you. So if you find this video useful, please don't forget to like this video, share it with your Muslim friends or non-Muslim friends, so they can know about the Quran. And that's it guys, this is TechSpace signing out, and I will catch you guys in the next video.